Hi, I want to show you another artist who inspires me greatly. Pallon is a Filipino artist, and maybe you already heard about her coloring book Moon Blossoms, which unfortunately is incredibly difficult to get. But Pallon is a famous contemporary artist who already had a lot of international exhibitions. Her art is amazingly vivid and bright, and maybe that was the reason why I fell in love with all of her paintings just from the first sight. Very often her paintings is inspired by Asian legends, myths and fairy tales, and sometimes her paintings are even a little bit macabre, and I also love this. She mostly concentrates on painting feminine portraits, and she is so capable to express their mood and their beauty, sometimes strength, sometimes fragility, sometimes melancholy or dream, and all those beautiful woman portraits always are surrounded with exotic flowers and oriental motifs, and they are incredibly detailed. She is also great in painting animals and various blooming plants. I invite you to visit her website. I will leave you a link in the info box and also her Instagram. Both are incredibly inspiring. On her Instagram, she has wonderful pictures of her art, of course, but also of herself. She is a very attractive and active young woman. It's, and also, she is a very gifted photographer. She has a lot of pictures of her beautiful country, also very inspiring. And on her site, you can study her works from her earliest until her latest. You can see how her style was changed, and it's also very interesting. And I think that she's incredibly talented in selected and combining unusual colors. I participated in a color along where we had to color a picture from coloring book, getting inspiration from one of the contemporary artists. So I chose Katrina Pallon, and if you're interested what I colored, getting inspiration from one of her paintings, I will post my first coloring video simultaneously with this one, and I will leave you a link to it. I hope that you also was inspired by her beautiful art, and thanks for watching.